Hello my fellow YouTubers. Welcome to Edleedskalnins Workshop. This is a continuing video after the last one I made. I was showing voltage coming out of transmission wirelessly, and I upped the volts a little bit more, and I'll show you how I did it. Pretty much on this coil here, you can hear it sparking. See sparks coming from my fingers. You can hear it humming, right? Well, underneath I stuck an inch and a half square stock steel, about 6 inches tall, and I wanted to see what would happen. So I'm going to show you a couple things. One is the ground to this voltmeter, which is on AC, is connected to one leg, the negative leg, and the positive leg I'm going to touch. And I'm going to come over here, hold it over. You're looking at volts, and right now that's one leg connected by itself, just in the air, and we're getting 72 volts, okay, give or take. Now I'm going to go ahead and touch this other end, and it jumps up to 150, 160. I just had it up to like 190. And the strange thing about it is when I touch my hands on both of these terminals here, the energy goes up. So I guess on another video I'm going to run a light off of this, and the energy should increase, because what I'm really getting into this wire here is a dielectric. It's not connected. So over here, let's change this to DC. And in DC, I got one leg connected, so we're at millivolts on DC, and it's bouncing all over. So let's go ahead and we're going to connect this positive side, and then let me get a good light, just like that. Let me touch it. So here we're at 88 volts in DC, and I'm over here, I'm touching the other end, and here it's at 89, climbing 90 volts. That's DC. And go back to AC, and then I'll touch it again. A little hard to touch, but then we're back to 80 something volts, 89, 90 volts, climbing, and it'll go up higher. So, lessons to be learned. Turn the sucker off. Lessons to be learned on transmission of power. The next couple videos ahead from this, I'm going to show you guys in doing it with we'll start off with what color of power that we're using, and we'll talk about how important that is and why we're bringing it up. So anyway, you guys have a good day. Thank you. Welcome.